Hello, it's me again. I am going to get my Malibu. I have an empty trailer. I just went to the bank and got some scratch, got some coffees, and I'm going to pick up my Malibu. The exhaust is done. It's certified and safe for the road. I don't know if I believe that, but probably is. So I'm going to try and do a little video today. I think I'm going to winch it on the trailer. It's still idling high because it's not tuned. And my trailer has a little bit of ice and snow on it. It's not too bad. But I've received some very sound advice that maybe I should just winch it on the trailer or use a steel shovel or something, because I'm an idiot for trying to load the car on a slippery trailer. This is a fact. Anyway, I'm going to try and show you what I'm doing. There's a lot of stuff was done with the car for safety, and I guess I'll find out shortly what that's all about. Thanks for watching. Hey, hello, it's me again. I have the Malibu. It's even washed. I just left the car wash with it. So the exhaust is on. I have my safety papers, and it's good to go. Lots of work. Had to do a steering box. Had to do some front end stuff. Did the exhaust, the X pipe. They're a Canadian version of Flowmasters. They're like a Flowmaster knockoff muffler. They sound really good. Did the steel tranny cooler lines, and a bunch of little things. A wiper motor. Bunch of little things for safety, headlight switch, some odds and ends. So it's very much a car at this point. It needs a lot of work still. I have to still do the interior, the weather strips, have to wet sand and polish the whole car, probably ceramic coat it. So that's one of the reasons I just washed it, get some of the shop dust off of it. It should be clean work from this point, I hope. We took it for a spin. Holy crap, it's not tuned yet, so we didn't really beat on it. Well, we did, not terrible amount, but man, it's got a lot of jam. I'm quite impressed with it. I thought it would be a little quicker than my 57 truck, and it's a lot quicker than my 57 truck. So yeah, less power for the win on this one. I will show you guys some pictures. I'll drop some pictures in. Exhaust. And so far I'm very happy. Wasn't a cheap trip to get some custom exhaust done, but Greg takes pride in his work, and he did a really nice job. I'm quite happy with it. It sounds good. It's not too loud, but when you get on it, it's got some bark. Yeah, so I'll let you guys hear it when I unload it. Well, it's cold outside. But anyways, I'm inside now. The Malibu is on the storage side because I've got some work to do on the shop side with a couple other things. And hey, now it's mobile. So I'll do a little walk around. As you can see, I still have some work to do inside, which is fine. I got to make a piece that goes over the landau part there. Now, you know, somebody mentioned to me in the comments that they thought I should go with some different wheels. I don't know, I'm starting to lean that way. Maybe I will go with some different wheels. I definitely need more aggressive back tires. So here's the exhaust. As you saw, there's 4-inch tips on it. It's 2.5-inch exhaust. It's X-pipe and Flowmaster knockoffs. They're like I don't know what they are, Flow something, but they're not Flowmaster, and they are Canadian made, I believe. So that's the Malibu. I got my plates that I've got to put on it. I will show you them. Too many cars. Did my plates that I had on. The last thing they were on was my Z4. I'll show you what's going on under the hood. There's the Gen 4 5.3. You guys have seen me work on if you watched any of my other videos. Everything's working, commissioned now. So the heater box, Greg replaced the heater box while it was there. The heater's all connected and everything's working. The trans cooler lines, he ran them down underneath the headers, and they come up and go to the trans cooler in the F-body rad. I went with the one in the F-body rad because I figured that's plenty for what I'm doing. I still have some wiring to sort out here for the horn and cap off the stuff that used to go to the coil and the distributor and all that stuff. So, as mentioned, I have a little bit of work to do on the inside of the car. I have to do the cut and polish. I have to do make that trim piece for the landau stuff. I do all the sound deadening inside, paint inside the trunk. It's really cosmetic details at this point. It is a running and driving car. It has been safety checked. I have to go get my plates registered to the car because the plates that are on it are not mine. We took it for a spin. It is a whole lot of fun. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do for wheels and tires. I'm thinking something different. I'm digging the rally wheels, but I don't have enough beef on the back, so I'm thinking maybe something different. I've done the torque thrust thing on like a whole bunch of my cars, so I'm not sure that I want to go with solid polished torque thrusts. I might go with like a torque thrust with the gunmetal gray center and polished lip. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of that. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.